So hello guys, today we'll be talking more on market structure. And I would like to treat two important issues here. Issues where I after going back to analyze, I realized there are some things that needed to be fixed based on market structures. So I'll be applying these two things for you all to understand. Because I noticed that some of you are making mistake in trying to choose your market structure levels. Now let's start with this. Looking at this is my CAD index pair, and it's fully in a downtrending market. Now in market structure, I want you to know this. We have the low for a sell side, we have the low, the bottom, and we have the top. Now this top area for a sell side, when selling, the top area is the market structure level. Yeah, it is the market structure level, the resistance, and this is the level we want price to break out from for us to confirm a break in the market structure. I don't understand. Most people try to put here as the low in this side as a market structure level, and they'll tell you, okay, we have a close below it, price has break market structure. No, price did not break market structure. What price did was to create another low, a lower low compared to the previous one, to continue the market structure. You understand? Now in a sell side, when you pick your market structure from the low, you are not picking market structure from the low, you are picking what? Market structure level from the top, which is the resistance. For here, it is what? A continuation. When price close below your previous low, it is trying to tell you that it is continuing the previous trend, which is selling. Is trying to go lower. So we have the continuation when it closed below, and we have the market structure level. We need a close above the market structure level. Please, let's take note of this. We need a close above the market structure level, which is always a resistance for a sell side, for price to do what? In order for price to reverse or retrace back to an higher time frame level. Now a break in market structure will cause two things. I said it before. A retracement. If the market structure level broken is not the main time frame, please, let's take note of this. It's not the main time frame. The second thing you need to understand is what? Reversal. If the market structure level, please, MSL stands for reversal. If the market structure level broken is from the main time frame. So this is what I want you to understand. Now going further down, there is something you need to see and understand, and that is how to spot a real market structure level. What do I mean by that? I will show you. I'm trying to pick a good example, but for now, let us know this. We have another low created here. This is a continuation. You get the point? Now it is only when this low has been broken, this particular low, that we now have a new market structure level coming, and this is now our new market structure level. This particular resistance here is now our market structure level. Now price closed lower. This is like to tell you that it's going to continue the trend. We have our market structure level here. Another market structure level here. Price went lower. Are you seeing this? To tell you that it wants to continue. It went lower again. Continuation. Gives us a market structure level here. Now moves lower again. Continuation. Give us another market structure level around this zone here. Now if you ask me, you will say there is a break in market structure here, but price went on falling, and I told you that is not a confirmation break because we are still in the week. So what you have to look out is that you are still in the you are still in the month. This is the daily time frame. The main time frame will be the monthly. So this is just another moving average zone on the weekly time frame. If we have to go to the weekly time frame, can you see price is reacting to the weekly time frame moving average? So that is just another zone. So it is not yet a breakout because it is respecting a daily time frame stop. So what is the next thing we are looking out for? The next thing we are looking out for is what? Let me pick the next example we want to look out for. The next example we want to look out for is this. In this particular area, I realize that whenever price is rough, very, very, very rough, some of us make the mistake. We make the mistake of not knowing where our exact market structure level is. We don't know where the market structure is, the exact one. Now let me show you what I mean by that. Now in this situation, this particular situation, so many people would say this is the market structure level, this zone here, and we have a break of market structure level, and another person will choose this particular place as the market structure level here, this top here as the market structure level. So people will choose here as the market structure level, while others will come along and say, okay, let me choose this place as the market structure level. No. So I want to clear this mistake. Whenever you see in a situation whereby market is so rough in your primary time frame, for example, in this scenario, what you want to look out for is go down to your next higher time frame, which is always the intermediate time frame, and pick that particular day. If it's a particular day where the price was bearish for that full day, that should be your market structure region in your middle time frame, your primary time frame rather. Now let me explain. Now looking at this zone, from here up to this place, we have a 3 bullish bar. But if you come to the 4 hours here, can you see we have so many bearish movement that will give us something that look like a market structure. But let me tell you, this is not our market structure region. This is not. Why? Because for us to confirm it as a market structure region, there must be a particular day in the next time frame, a particular bar that will close opposite completely for that particular bar. Now look at it. Daily did not close completely. The next intermediate time frame, it did not close completely, but instead we have 3 bullish bars. So there is no market structure level here in this 4-hour time frame. Now this is the main market structure level here. The price drops because of what? At the end of the day here, price came down to this zone. Now this is the main market structure level here. Yes, even for 4 hours, this is the main market structure level here. This zone, and at the end of the day, what happened? We saw a close of the market structure. So let me pick another one quickly again. So I'll show you another example. Should I? Another example. Good. Now looking at this particular place, some people might go ahead and say, okay, this is our market structure level. Yeah, this is our market structure level. Yes, you are right. If you are looking at 4 hours as the intermediate time frame and 1 hour as the primary time frame, you are right. But if you are looking at 4 hours as your primary time frame, this is not a market structure level. Because of what? There is no bullish bar, a day bearish bar here. There is none. So this should be your real market structure level here, because price dip more in this area. We saw a lot of a dip that stretches more in this particular area, not just this 1 bar, 2 bar. No, you don't want to pick this. You want to pick this particular long dip. So this is what I want you to see when trading using market structure. Please, you can go back and revise this. go back and revise this, you'll be able to see clearly what I'm talking about. Because the particular time when you are going to pick a wrong time frame region as your market structure region, and when you take trade according to that particular place as your market structure region, price goes against you. So you have to master this. Market structure is key. Please focus more on the market structure. It is very, very important. It is very, very important. So that is that on the market structure. Don't forget, the market structure level for a buy is what? Is the support level, not the top. Some of you will say it has broken market structure up and you are picking it up. No, this is not. This is just to tell you that it wants to continue, and in continuation it goes higher. But down here we are looking for what? A close below our support to confirm the break of what? Market structure. So that is what I want you to understand with market structure. This is the arc of market structure. The arc, you need to understand this. The arc of market structure. Thank you.